Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into the ultimate minimalist truth behind human performance. We're going to break down what's known as the vitality protocol. Now, if you're looking for some convoluted, jargon-filled system, well, you're definitely in the wrong place. But if you want to understand the absolute bedrock of human energy, you are going to love this. I mean, let's be real. We live in an era where literally everyone is burnt out, right? We're all just searching for a magic solution at the bottom of our fourth cup of coffee. But today, we're stripping all of that away to look at the absolute core of what actually keeps us going.
You know how we constantly search for complex life hacks to beat fatigue? We download a dozen apps, we track massive amounts of data on our wearables, and we're always looking for that next big secret. But let's just pause for a second and ask ourselves, what is the real secret to endless energy actually based on? When you strip away all the trends and the fads, what's the biological foundation that dictates whether you wake up ready to conquer the day, or if you're just dragging yourself out of bed hoping to survive until the evening? The crazy thing is, the answer is hiding right in plain sight.
Now look at this. This incredibly brief, stark text contains the entire biological blueprint for optimal human performance. Manage your energy. Stay energized by being well-rested, nourished, and hydrated. That's it. That is the entire text of our source material today. It's literally just 15 words. But within those 15 words lies a reality that, honestly, most of us completely ignore on a daily basis. It doesn't ask you to do anything extraordinary, but it absolutely demands that you do the ordinary things perfectly.
We really have to appreciate that in a noisy world screaming at us with overwhelming advice, the most profound and effective protocol is elegantly simple and totally unavoidable. The ultimate antidote to our modern exhaustion is simplicity. We tend to think that if a problem is massive, like the chronic fatigue driven by our hustle culture, the solution must be equally massive and complicated. But this text pushes back against that narrative entirely. It tells us point blank, you cannot bypass your basic biology. And remember, simplicity is not the same as being easy. In fact, mastering these simple steps, it's often the hardest thing in the world to do.
Okay, Section 1, Managing Your Energy, the Prime Directive. Let's get into it.
Before we break down the exact mechanics, we really need to understand the word vitality. It is the state of being strong and active. It's energy itself. It's not just waking up, keeping your eyes open, and existing. It's the intentional, active state of possessing and directing your energy. When the text commands us to manage your energy, it's asking us to treat our vitality like an active resource, something we have total dominion over, rather than just a passive state that happens to us depending on how the day goes.
And this brilliant comparison gets right to the core philosophy of our source material. This endless depletion on the left, that's how most of us live. We're endlessly spending our energy until we hit absolutely zero. But true energy management is active restoration. It's about consciously being aware of your energetic bank account and taking deliberate, daily steps to ensure you're depositing vitality just as often as you would draw it.
So the really crucial point here is that this energy management requires a strict, step-by-step architectural framework made of three completely non-negotiable biological pillars. Step 1 is being well-rested, Step 2 is being nourished, and Step 3 is being hydrated. You cannot skip these steps, you can't replace them with some clever life hack. If you want to stay energized, this is the exact, unchangeable sequence you have to follow.
Let's move to Pillar 1, well-rested, the foundation of energy.
It's wonderfully ironic, isn't it? We look for energy literally everywhere except our beds. Seriously, ask yourself right now, are you truly well-rested or are you merely surviving your daily fatigue? Let's be honest, most of us operate in a permanent state of sleep debt. We're doom-scrolling until 2 a.m. and then just pushing through the next day using sheer willpower. And we mistakenly think our ability to stay awake is the same thing as actual vitality. But the protocol demands a state of surplus, not a state of barely scraping by.
Being well-rested is not a luxury. It's absolutely mandatory. It is the first required step to maintain your vitality. We have to start treating rest as a deliberate act of energy management, not just an absence of action. And this is huge. We need to recognize fatigue as a biological call for rest, not some personal weakness you can just fix with another espresso shot. Resting is the very first active step in taking back control of your energy.
All right, Pillar 2, nourished, fueling the protocol.
Notice how the source material deliberately uses the exact word nourished. It's prompting us to deeply question if we're actually fueling our vitality or if we're merely filling our stomachs. There's a massive distinction there. Eating is just the mechanical act of putting things in your mouth to stop feeling hungry, Nourishment, on the other hand, is the deliberate provision of the exact building blocks your body desperately needs to maintain that strong, active state of vitality we defined earlier.
So, to truly manage your energy exactly as the text commands, we have to approach our intake specifically through the lens of true nourishment. We have to view foods strictly as fundamental fuel. We've got to move past mere consumption. If we want to stay energized, we have to actively supply the body to sustain that active state. You are essentially managing the complex internal chemistry of your vitality every single time you make a choice about what to consume.
And that brings us to pillar 3, hydrated, the final non-negotiable.
I know it sounds almost too basic, but seriously, when we are totally exhausted, how often do we forget this absolute necessity of simply staying hydrated? We'll blame our lack of energy on our workload or stress or a million other complex external factors, but the protocol brings us right back down to earth with a brilliantly simple biological check. Hey, are you hydrated?
Without hydration, the entire protocol collapses. It's the vital element that keeps the entire energy management system functional. It is the absolute simplest biological requirement, yet it's utterly crucial for maintaining that active state of vitality. It is the final required key. Think about it. You can be perfectly rested and perfectly nourished, but if you fail at this final, incredibly simple step of hydration, your entire energy management fails.
Section 4. The energized life. Mastering the basics. Let's pull this all together.
You simply cannot stay fully energized if you neglect even a single slice of this vital triad. It is a perfect even split. 33.3% rest, 33.3% nourishment, 33.3% hydration. They are all equally important. Actually, scratch that. They are totally interdependent. If you try to cheat a lack of sleep by eating more, the system breaks. If you try to cheat poor nutrition by drinking more water, it breaks. Managing your energy means holding all 3 of these domains in perfect active balance.
So the ultimate takeaway here is that there are absolutely no shortcuts around these 3 fundamental rules. Our source material was literally just 15 words long, but it leaves absolutely zero room for interpretation. You have to be well rested, you have to be nourished, you have to be hydrated. Once you truly accept this simple protocol, you can stop wasting time on hacks that just don't work and start truly managing your energy.
I'm going to leave you with this final thought. The protocol is incredibly simple, right? We've seen exactly what it takes, but are you actually following it? Take a really close look at your own life today. Which of these 3 pillars are you neglecting right now? The absolute blueprint for endless vitality is hiding in plain sight. The rest? Well, the rest is entirely up to you. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Now go manage your energy.